All right, welcome back, guys. So in this clip, we'll touch question 50 and above to the last part of it, which stopped at question 70. So 50 has to do with calculation and want to demonstrate that 51 similar, 52 similar, 53 similar, 54. When naphthalene on heating changes from solid state directly to gaseous state, it undergoes whenever, please keep this in mind, whenever a substance changes from solid to gaseous state without passing through the liquid state, it calls sublimation. 54 is option A. 55. Which of the following is an electrolyte? The electrolyte here is sodium ethanoate. 55 is sodium ethanoate. Option B. 56. I would like to demonstrate this, but let's see. You have a nitrogen particle, then you have a helium particle. They join together to form a higher one. This one is called nuclear fusion. 56. Now, but this, wait, let me see. This one is actually is artificial radioactivity. Is artificial radioactivity. Option option C. 57. Which of the following is a general method of preparing acid? Which of the following is a general method of preparing acid? General method, direct combination of constituent elements. Example of this, if you want to prepare HCl, you can directly combine hydrogen and chlorine together. So 57 is option A. Now, double decomposition actually has to do with preparing salt, insoluble salt. 58. Monosaccharides are they are non-hydrosable. That's what they are. Monosaccharide or non-hydrosable. Option B, monosaccharide. 59. The major air pollutant that can result from smoky vehicles include, there are tons of air pollutant that can result, but a very dangerous one, 59, is definitely option C, carbon dioxide. Don't forget I said carbon dioxide is the most dangerous air pollutant to humans. Very dangerous because it attacks the hemoglobin in the blood. 660. If an element has the electronic configuration this, it is, you have 2 4, this 10 12 plus 12 plus 4, you have that 16. It is what? 60. It is a p block element. Is a p block element. You can see it there, 3p. 30. 61. Compound that have same molecular formula but different structural formula, they are said to be isomeric. Those items are isomeric. They have same molecular formula but different structural formula. 61 is D. 62. Which of the following statement is not correct? Which of the following statement is not correct? Let's see. Chlorine exhibit allotropy. Now lie. Chlorine no dey exhibit allotropy. Items that exhibit allotropy, right? You have phosphorus, you have sulfur, and you have carbon. Chlorine does not exhibit allotropy. You could see sulfur exhibit allotropy, carbon exhibit allotropy, hydrogen is a gas, definitely. Chlorine is also a gas but does not exhibit allotropy. 63 is, has to do with gas law. 64. The ID gas equation can be written as, ID gas equation can be written as, let's see, that's 64. Not really clear. It's supposed to be P1V1 over T1 equals P2V2 over T2. So I guess it's option D, but it's not clearly written. Ethane, cyclohexane, and propene can be classified as, 65, multiple bond hydrocarbons. All of them here then get multiple bond hydrocarbons if you understand the organic chemistry. But if you don't get organic chemistry, you could request for organic chemistry series a little bit separate, some couple of minutes and you are done with it. 67. Which is the most ionic in the group below? Which is the most ionic in the group below? Sodium chloride is the most ionic amongst these three. 68. Hydrogenation of palm oil results in a solid compound called, it could result to margarine. You could also result to palm oil. Hydrogenation of palm oil could result to margarine. Hydrogenation of palm oil could result to margarine. Wetin be hydrogenation? You know, as if you get straw, you can't use straw. Like you blow hydrogen into like palm oil, go make am thick like butter. You know, you know the way butter take thick. Now the process be that. Like hydrogenation go come make something thick like margarine. See those butters wey they do cake. You will see the way the butters take thick, except you put them under sun before they go melt. And now that kind of process by hydrogenation. The answer no dey here. Thank you. 69. Even if they say palm oil, hydrogenation of palm oil will give you the same thing palm oil. Rather, it will give you solid palm oil. Option B is the most likely one. 68. 69. An amphoteric compound, right? Amphoteric compounds are compounds that act as both acid and base. Example: aluminium, tin, lead, and zinc. Those ones are common amphoteric. There are other ones. So dash, they look at the answer. Option B, react both as acid and a base. Alright, let's go to the last question. 70. In structural isomerism, same atoms are linked to different neighboring atoms. Same atoms are linked to different neighboring atoms. This will be our pack for this series. We'll go over this again to touch some certain part, and the calculation part will be treated separately and delivered. Okay, now while going through this, you're able to jot down one or two stuff. I would like you to snap that and send to us on the WhatsApp group. If you're not on the WhatsApp group, I'll leave the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. You could also invite your friends to join us. Yeah, we do charge a tiny fee for our services, but just tiny that and you can actually afford and also learn. And if you want to demand more explanation as regards any part of this question I touched so far, we'll be very pleased to take you through that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.